subtracting integers. Subtraction is going to be one of those operations that's really a no-no. We're going to call it an illegal in class. So anytime we see subtracting with integers, we're going to have to change it to an addition problem. First number is going to stay the same. So in example number 1, we're going to keep the 2, use the opposite operation, and change the opposite of the second number. So another way to think about that is to make 2 marks. The minus will become a plus, and the 3 is currently positive, he's going to become negative. So now we essentially have an addition problem. Let's go through and just rewrite all of these first. In this one, we have 4 plus a negative 3. In this one, we have negative 5 plus, this was a negative 6, it'll now become a positive. On this one, because it's minus a negative, sometimes my students like to say, whoop, one big old positive inside there. In this one, negative 4 plus a negative 2, and in this one, negative 1 plus a negative 4. Now that they're addition problems, it makes it super easy. Start at 0, move right 2, plus a negative 3, so we move left 3. Our answer is negative 1. In number 2, we have 4, so we move over 4, plus a negative 3, we move 3 to the left. That takes us back to 1. In number 3, we have negative 5, and we're adding 6, which is going to take us to 1. In number 4, we have negative 4, plus a negative 2, so we go 2 more to the left, negative 6. In here, we start at 0, negative 1, plus a negative 4, so keep going, we get to negative 5. Essentially here with doing the rule, you just have to rewrite them and then it's your addition problems. I'm going to follow the make 2 marks rule. So 8 plus a negative 13, signs are different, they go to war, the negatives win and they win by 5. Example 2, make 2 marks. They're both negative, add the numbers, keep the sign. Example 3, minus a negative, I'm going to make one big old plus sign. 1 plus 2 is 3. Example 4 here, one big old plus sign, negative 10 plus 7, it's a war, the negatives win by 3. Example 5, big old plus sign, they're both positive, so we get a positive 18. And example 6, add the opposite, they're both negative, so we get a negative 14 for our answer.